In this video, I will guide you on how to get Marketplace on Facebook. The first thing you want to do is update the Facebook app to the latest version. For that, launch open Play Store or App Store. Then, tap on the search bar and here search for Facebook. If you find an update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. Next, you want to launch open the Facebook app. Now, there are some eligibility criteria that you need to meet in order to access Marketplace. You must be at least 18 years old or older. You must be in a supported country. Marketplace is available in specific regions. So if you are in a place where Marketplace is not available, you might not see that on your account. Brand new accounts often don't have immediate access to Marketplace, so you may need to use Facebook for a few weeks. Now you want to tap on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Here you should be able to find Marketplace if you are eligible. If you don't find it here, you want to tap on the See More option and you are going to find Marketplace over here. You simply want to tap on that to access it. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.